Glutamine had its time to shine on Gut Healing TikTok for a very good reason. It is a great supplement and a great nutrient to help with gut healing. Glutamine is found in many foods, one being bone broth, which is why bone broth is so amazing for gut healing. It's great for any gut healing protocol because it helps rebuild that mucosal lining that lines your digestive tract. In a gut that has been damaged over time due to stress, inflammation, toxins, food allergens, all of these can cause damage to the gut lining over time, causing leaky gut. Glutamine is really great at helping rebuild that gut lining. Glutamine helps by decreasing the permeability of that gut lining, and it also helps rebuild the villi, which are these little finger-like projections coming off of the small intestine that helps increase the surface area, space that nutrients can be absorbed, and sometimes those can get blunted and get cut down like grass. And glutamine really helps at rebuilding those back up and help decreasing the inflammation that damaged that in the first place. Glutamine does so much, and these are some of the main reasons why I really love using glutamine in any gut healing protocol.